And therefore to us, when we seek answers in our religion, He says, أَنْ يَفْتِنُوكَ عَنْ بَعْضِ مَا أَنزَلَ اللَّهُ إِلَيْكَ, that they might actually put you into trial regarding some of the things Allah has revealed to you. They start testing you about some of Allah's revelation. In other words, somebody says, let me put it this way. You know, when you're shopping, for example, if you're shopping for a home, you're like, I like the neighborhood, I like the first floor, I'm not so sure about the second floor. I like all of this, I don't like this. Or when you order food from a restaurant, you like most of what's on the plate, you leave some of the salad behind. You're like, I'm not crazy about the salad. In other words, you pick.